What up, YouTube? It's EDC Central Oregon, back again with a video for you. Today I'm going to be doing the Glock 19 Gen 3 build that I've been putting together for you. Start off with the SCT assembled frame. Ordered this from Brownells. This was $90. It had a couple different colors. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. Super cool. Next, we have the Brownells RMR Slide. This one was $130, also off of the Brownells site. So we got the slide itself, RMR cut. Even comes with a couple extra little screw sets depending on the optic that you get. Got it in the bronze color, has the window up top. Loving the look, love how it's going to look with that tan. Next, we got the True Precision Barre-l. This was $140, also off the Brownells website. So I went with the gold. I wanted to go with like that tan, bronze, brownish look with the gold. Wanted to put it all together. It's nothing special. I got some good reviews on it. I haven't actually had a true precision barrel, but we're going to see how it rolls. Next, we have the Brownells Slide parts kit. This was $50. It comes with all the parts you need for the slide, the channel liner, the channel liner tool, the guide rod, all the essentials. Then I got 3 PMAG GL19 15 rounds. I got those off of the Brownells site as well. All 3 came to a total of $40. So $40 for the mag, $50 for the parts kit, $140 for the barrel, $130 for the RMR slide, and then $90 for the STC frame. So everything came to a total of $450. So this is really all you need to have a functional gun. Basically, you can have this, but I got some extras, so let's check those out. So now for the extras. These are just some of the extra things that I want to put on it, add to it, modify, whatever you want to call it. So first we have the Apex Tactical Trigger Kit. This was $86 off of the Brownells site. It's easy to switch out, easy to change out of the frame. So comes with the ghost connector and the safety plunger. Next we have the AmeriGlo High sights. These are the optic compatible sights for the Glock. These were $68. I believe I got these off of Amazon. Then we have the Tyrant Designs baseplate. I got these thinking I was going to be able to switch them out, but the PMAG are not compatible. So I'm going to have to throw it on either like my Glock 27 or throw it on my Glock 17. So this was not actually needed for this build, but I did want to show it. I got the base plate to go with what's next with the back plate from Tyrant Designs. I got both parts off of Amazon. The base plate was $25 and then the back plate was $22. Got it as a couple, but I'm gonna put it on something else. Then we got the OLIGHT PL3R. This was $100 off of Amazon. I got this light because I don't want to spend too much on a light. A light's not really too big for me, but I do like having a light on my gun. Then we got the Foxarmy FXA10 3MOA RMR sight. This was $90. I go with the budget optics because I'm just now getting into them. So I'm not trying to spend too much on them. But once I get the feel for them and learn how to zero them in and do all the extras, I'm going to start upgrading. So you just place it right on the slide just like that, screw it in, you're all good to go. Put that down. And then I didn't mention I do have that grip frame insert. It was $10 off of Amazon. So this is just adding on to the build, adding some modifications, adding some style, whatever you want to call it. So all together, the extras was $400. So all together, the build was $850, which isn't bad to me. So now let's check it out, complete it. So here we go with the complete build. Glock 19, Gen 3, everything all put together, sights on it, barrel looking clean. I love how that brown, the bronze with the tan, the red trigger, and then like the black accents with the optic and the light. I love how everything comes together. I'm super happy. The only thing is now we just got to see how it runs in the range, but I did all the safety checks. Everything is coming together. Everything looks fine. It slides back, slide locks, all the functions, everything's good. So let me know down in the comments, man, if you rocking with it, if you dropping it. Hit that like, hit the subscribe, check me out. Got more videos coming soon. Yeah.